The Germans called them Schnellboots or S-boats. We called them E-boats, E for enemy. These extremely fast and highly maneuverable motor torpedo boats played havoc in many oceans during World War II, but in particular in the North Sea and the English Channel, where they aided U-boats in attacking Allied shipping. Today, just one of these Fiat E-boats survives, the S-130. The boat was commissioned in October 1943. With a crew of 35 and a range of 700 miles, the E-boat was constructed of lightweight wood and aluminium and was powered by three 2,500 horsepower diesel engines. S-130's most notorious action was involvement in a terrible Allied tragedy in the run-up to D-Day. In 1944, under the command of Oberleutnant zur See Gunther Rabe, S-130, call sign Raven, was operating out of Cherbourg, patrolling the west and central English Channel area. On the 27th of April, a German reconnaissance plane spotted US forces conducting a full-scale rehearsal for the planned landings at Omaha Beach. The location for the landings was on the English coast at Slapton Sands, Devon. Exercise Tiger saw thousands of troops, vehicles and tanks embarked on a full-scale rehearsal for D-Day. Two E-boat flotillas were immediately ordered to attack the exercise. Due to a communications mix-up, the British destroyers protecting the US landing ships were removed, leaving just a small force of MTBs to protect the ships. Just after 1 a.m. in pitch dark and steaming at 36 knots, the E-boats attacked, hitting landing ships packed with US Army personnel. In the confusion, the Americans shot at each other, adding to the death and destruction. The E-boats then departed as swiftly as they had come, leaving 749 Americans dead. The bodies washed up all along England's south coast, and a massive cover-up was launched. S-130 saw action on D-Day, firing torpedoes at the massive invasion fleet, and was captured intact in Rotterdam, Holland, by the advancing British. The Royal Navy re-engined S-130, increasing her top speed to 45 knots, and she was used to make high-speed reconnaissances of the Soviet fleet. Later, in 1949, using former E-boat crewmen, MI6 used ex-E-boats, including S-130, as part of a secret program to drop British agents in the Baltic states. In 1956, the program was terminated and S-130 was handed to the new German Bundesmarine, where she was used to train a new generation of fast attack boat crews. The last surviving World War II E-boat continued in service with the German Navy until 1991. S-130 became a houseboat until purchased by the British Powerboat Company in 2003 for restoration. In 2008, the famous British collector Kevin Wheatcroft purchased S-130 and began a long and expensive rebuild. She is currently at Southdown Marina in Cornwall, the very last of Germany's Schnellboots still in existence. I hope you've enjoyed this short film, and if you have, please do subscribe. Many thanks.